Welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday December 12 to Saturday December 18, 2021, and these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you sign to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Select Colgate toothpaste deal. It's on sale 2 for $7.98. You can grab 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $7.98. You can use 1/7 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Pay or roll only just 98 cents. So your final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. But if you have $2 off any oral care CVS CRT, you can attach with this deal. So you can get the free Colgate toothpaste. My next deal is Crest toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Crest toothpaste and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $2.99 each. So you can grab 4 Crest complete toothpaste is $11.96. It's $2.99 each. You can use 1/5 of 3 Crest oral care digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Plus you can use $2 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon. So your total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $4.96 and get back $4 ECB. So your final cost is free plus $1.04 moneymaker in this deal. My next deal is Crest toothpaste deal and Scoop mouthwash deal. Buy 2 Crest toothpaste and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $2.99 each, and buy 1 Scoop mouthwash and get back $3 ECB. That one also has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $4.79 each. So in this transaction you can grab 2 Crest complete toothpaste is $5.98 and buy 2 Crest Scoop mouthwash 1 liter is $9.58. So your totals come out $15.56. If you don't have any CRT, you can do this deal like that. So in this transaction you can use 1/5 of 3 Crest oral care digital coupon, use $2 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon and use $1 of Scoop mouthwash digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch. So your total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $7.56 and get back $3 ECB and get back $6 ECB. So your final cost is free plus $1.44 moneymaker in this deal. My next deal is Crest toothpaste deal and Scoop mouthwash deal. If you have the 5 of 20 Crest oral care CVS CRT, you can do these deals like that. Buy 4 Crest complete toothpaste is $11.96 and buy 2 Crest Scoop mouthwash 1 liter is $9.58. So your totals come out $21.54. You can use 1/5 of 20 Crest oral care CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 3 Crest oral care digital coupon. Use $2 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon and use $1 of Scoop mouthwash digital coupon. So your total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $8.54 and get back $6 ECB and get back $6 ECB for the mouthwash. So your final cost is free plus $3.46 moneymaker in this deal. My next deal is Irish Spring bar soap or soft hand soap deal. Buy 4 Irish Spring or soft hand soap and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 3 per household and it's on sale 4 for $10. So you can grab 4 soft liquid hand soap 8 to 11.25 OZ. It's $10. You can use 1/2 of 2 soft hand soap CVS CRT and use 4.50 cents of soft hand soap printable coupon on softsoap.com. So your total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $6 and get back $5 ECB. So your final cost is only just $1 or 25 cents each. My next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 3 CoverGirl product and get back $8 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 1 CoverGirl Simply Age Lash Serum. It's $19.99 and buy 2 CoverGirl Eye Maker Eyeliner is $12.98. It's $6.49 each in my store. So your totals come out $32.97. You can use 1/6 of 20 CoverGirl Cosmetics CVS CRT. Use one $3 of CoverGirl mystery coupon. That coupon is printed this week. Plus you can use two $6 of CoverGirl Serum CVS CRT and use one $3 of CoverGirl Clean Beauty printable coupon. That coupon is attaching with the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Serum. Plus you can use one $2 of CoverGirl iDigital coupon and use one printable coupon. So your total coupon is $28. Pay or roll $4.97 and get back $8 ECB. So your final cost is free plus $3.03 moneymaker in this deal. My next deal is select Wet n Wild gift set and LA Color or Wet n Wild gift set deal. Buy one Wet n Wild gift set and get back $8 ECB, and that one has a limit up to 3 times. It's on sale $9.99 each. And buy one LA Color or Wet n Wild and gift set and get back $4 ECB. That one also has a limit 3 per household, and it's on sale $4.99 each. So you can grab one Wet n Wild gift set is $9.99 and buy 3 LA Color gift set is $14.97. It's $4.99 each. So your totals come out $24.96. You can use 1, 5 or 20 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $19.96 and get back $8 ECB and get back I think $12 ECB. I make a mistake here, so the final cost is free. My next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal scenario 1. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $7 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 4 Maybelline Twin Eye Pencil 2 packets $19.96. It's $4.99 each. You can use 1, 5 or 20 Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. If you have any printable coupon for the Maybelline.com, any mascara coupon or any cosmetic, you can use this coupon on this transaction, so you can get the money maker in this deal. So pay or roll $14.96 and get back $14 ECB. So your final cost is only just 96 cents or 24 cents each. My next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal scenario 2. Buy 2 Maybelline and get back $7 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 2 Maybelline Twin Eye Pencil 2 packets $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Buy 2 Maybelline Mascara, it's $14.98. It's $7.49 each. So your totals come out $24.96. You can use 1, 5 of 20 Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $14.96 and get back $14 ECB. So your plus you can earn $2 credit on Ibotta. So your limit 3 per household. So your final cost is only just $1.96 or 49 cents each. My next deal is Neutrogena Cosmetic deal scenario 1. Buy 2 Neutrogena Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. That one has a limit 3 per house, one limit up to 10 times. So you can grab 3 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipe 21. It is $21.87. It's $7.29 each. So you can use 1, 5 or 20 Neutrogena Makeup CVS CRT. Use 1 $5 of any Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint CVS CRT. That CRT is attached with the Makeup Remover Wipe. Plus you can use $1 of Neutrogena Wipe digital coupon and use $1 $2 of Neutrogena Cosmetic digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Hopefully we can get the printable coupon, but we can check back on Sunday. So your total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $8.87 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is free plus $1.13 moneymaker in this deal. My next deal is Neutrogena Cosmetic deal scenario 2. Buy 2 Neutrogena Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB and buy 3 and get back $10 ECB. So in this transaction, you can buy 2 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Gel Eraser Stick. It's $20.58. It's $10.29 each. You can use 1 5 of 20 Neutrogena Makeup CVS CRT. Plus you can use 1 5 of any Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint CVS CRT. If you have this CRT, you can attached with this deal because it's attached in this gel eraser stick. Plus you can use $1 of Neutrogena Vibe digital coupon. That coupon also is attaching with this gel eraser stick. Plus also you can use $2 of Neutrogena cosmetic digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. So your total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $7.58 and get back $6 ECB. So plus you can earn $3 credit in Ibotta. That one its limit up to 3 times. So it's $6. So your final cost is free plus $4.42 moneymaker in this deal. My next deal is Jergens lotion deal. Spend $12 and get back $4 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab one Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer Lotion. It's 10 FLOZ. It's $5.19. And buy one Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer 20 FLOZ Lotion. It's $7.79. So your totals come out $12.98. You can use 1/5 of 2 any Jergens lotion CVS CRT. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $4 ECB. So your final cost is only just $3.98 or $1.99 each. But check back on Sunday if we get any printable coupon for the Jergens or Cruel lotion. My next deal is Gold Bond lotion or cream deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab one Gold Bond Ultimate Diabetic Lotion 13 OZ. It's $12.49. And buy one Gold Bond Ultimate Foot Cream 4 OZ. It's $8.29. Its totals come out $20.78. You can use 1/5 of 20 any lotion or cream CVS CRT. So your total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $15.78 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is only just $5.78 or $2.89 each. But if you want to use if your store allow the expire coupon, we have the $1.50 of Gold Bond lotions printable coupon, and it's expired on December 4th. It's still good on like 15 days. So if your store allow the expire coupon, you can attach with this deal. The next deal it's Nivea lip care deal. It's on sale $3 each. So you can grab one Nivea lip care twin pack. It's $3. Pay or roll $3. So your final cost is only just $3 each. My next deal is Select Silk or Skintimate product deal. Buy 2 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab one Silk Hydro Silk 3 refill. It's $12.49. And buy one Skintimate razor blade 4 CT. It's $10.99. So your totals come out $23.48. You can use 1/5 of 20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use $4 of Silk Hydro Silk 3 refill CVS CRT. Plus you can use $3 of Silk Hydro razor and refills digital coupon and use $4 of Silk Skintimate or Institution razor or refill digital coupon. So your total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $7.48 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is free plus $2.52 moneymaker in this deal. The next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So in this transaction you can grab one child liquid 92 FLOZ is $11.94 and buy one child port 21 to 35 CT is $11.94. Plus you can buy two child port 16 CT, it's $9.94. It's two for $9.94. So your totals come out $33.82. You can use 1/5 of 20 child port or gain CVS CRT. Plus you can use $3 of Tide Port digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch with the printable coupon. Plus you can use $3 of Tide liquid digital coupon and use $3 of Tide Port digital coupon. So your total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $16.82 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is only just $6.82 or $1.70 each. My next deal is household deal scenario 2. So in this transaction you can grab 2 Pamper Baby Dry Jumbo Pack diaper. It's $22. It's 2 for $22. And buy 2 Tide Pod 16 CT, it's $9.94. So your totals come out $31.94. You can use $4 of 20 any baby care purchase CVS CRT. Plus you can use $2 of Pamper Easy Up CVS CRT. Use $3 of 2 Pamper Diaper digital coupon. Use $3 of 2 Tide Pod digital coupon. That coupon is glitch with the printable coupon. So your total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $16.94 and get back $10 ECB. So your final cost is only just $6.94 or $1.73 each. My next deal is Hallmark card deal. Buy 3 and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So in this transaction you can grab 3 Hallmark card is $2.97. Buy 3 Hallmark ribbon, it's $3.87. It's $1.29 each. And buy 2 Hallmark paperback, it's 98 cents. It's 49 cents each. So your totals come out $7.82. You can use $4 of 8 Hallmark card CVS CRT. So your total coupon is $8. Pay or roll, nothing out of pocket. So and get back $3 ECB. So your final cost is free plus $3 money maker in this deal. My last and final deal is select Trident gum, Sour Patch and snacks product deal. Spend 10 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So in this transaction you can grab 2 Trident fresh sugar free gum 40 CT, it's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. You can use 2 of 8 any candy or gum CVS CRT. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $5 ECB. So your final cost is only just $2.98 or $1.49 each after the ECB and after the coupon. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.